Babasahin tayo lahat ay tumayo. Let's all stand please. And we will start the wedding ceremony. Shall we bow our head and we will pray? Heavenly Father, we thank you so much for this wonderful day that you have given to these two people. Father, I pray that you will be the first one, our guest,